Well, I was going to do a few of my favourite of the WMIC commands, which are useful. So WMIC, BIOS, get version. So it tells you Dell 107 2009. The next one is one of the BIOS commands, so I'll just pull that back up. We'll put serial number, and I'll give you the serial number. No, invalid get. I'll tell you what I did wrong there. So I'll press up again. You got to put the serial number together as one word. So there's your serial number. And then another one is WMIC CPU get number of cores, all one word. So number of cores 2. Sorry, I don't think I've done that on the screen then. So basically WMIC CPU get number of cores 2. So another one is WMIC product get name. So it just tells you what's loaded to this machine, and all that's loaded to this machine at the minute is Microsoft Update Health Tools. That can be useful though. So the last one is WMIC OS get version. So operating system. So version 10.0 22621. So that's 5 useful commands. Get your serial number of your computer, how many cores your CPU has got, BIOS version, what products are uploaded to the machine, and what operating system version you're running.